Havocs, this is amazing what happened today. Actually, I've opened my Raspberry Pi imager. I was just looking around and I got this. Wow, I tried to install a new version, but it didn't work. Then I actually went here to choose the operating system and look at this. This is port of Debian Trixie with Raspberry Pi OS desktop. So this is a new version, can you imagine? So then I went exploring to the internet and I found what amazed me. So you write Debian, Trixie Raspberry Pi OS Pi.com. So what actually happened is here. It is here. It is here, and this is how you can upgrade it. So your existing operating system on your Raspberry Pi can be upgraded. So let's go to the OS download pages. So let me see where this is 64-bit, and this is Trixie. Look at this. I can't believe it. It's Trixie, and you can download it on many ways. So is there also 32-bit version of Trixie? Yes, it is. Also 32-bit version is available, and also the light version. So it's been released today. You can't believe it. So if you'd like to do it, just do it. If you like this video, just hype it, just like it, whatever. And don't forget about notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.